What is 0.3% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, just rewrite it. Percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply, divided by 100. 10, 100, these are power of 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros is here 2, so the decimal point will move 1 places, 2 places. This is placeholder 0. So we are getting decimal 003. We can add one more 0 before decimal to mean that this number is less than 1. Now convert this decimal to fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. We are getting this. These 3 0 don't have any value. For denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. Here we have 3 digits, so write 310 as a multiplication. This 3 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 3. Okay. So, and if you, the greatest common divisor between these 3 and 10 or 3 and 1, 1, 1, 1 at 0. This 3 and 1000, the common factor or greatest common factor between 3 and 1000 is just 1. So if you divide this 3 by 1 and 1000 by 1, you will get the same result. So this is the simplest form.